Hey there, it's Sarah. Are you an older gentleman wondering if younger women find you attractive but feel uncertain about the signs? Today, we're going to tackle some common mistakes that might be undermining your appeal. By the end of this video, you'll understand these pitfalls and learn how to enhance your attractiveness effectively. Don't miss out on our bonus tip at the end of the video. It's a crucial piece of advice that will refine your approach and boost your interactions. Stay tuned for it. Before we proceed, think you might need a little nudge in your dating life? Our free strategy call could be just the thing. Click the link in the description or pinned comment to reserve your spot. 1. Trying to act too young. This is a common trap many older men fall into when dating younger women. You might think that mimicking the trends, slang, or lifestyle of a younger generation will bridge the gap, but it often does just the opposite. It can come off as inauthentic and even awkward. Remember, you're not auditioning for a role in a youth culture documentary. You're living your life, and your experience is your strength. The reality is, genuine behavior is far more attractive. Younger women often appreciate the stability, wisdom, and decisiveness that come with age. These are qualities that can be overshadowed by attempts to overly adapt to youthful norms, which don't naturally fit your persona. It's better to leverage your life experiences. This doesn't mean you can't enjoy or partake in new trends or activities, but there's a graceful way to do it that doesn't involve pretending to be someone you're not. Show interest in new perspectives and share your own insights. This kind of exchange is dynamic and engaging. Moreover, embracing your age and maturity doesn't mean becoming stodgy or dull. It's about being comfortable in your own skin and using your life's lessons to enrich your interactions. This approach not only boosts your attractiveness, but also builds respect and genuine connections. So, let your real self shine through. After all, confidence in who you are at any age is compelling and attractive. 2. Overlooking physical appearance. Think about it. When you meet someone, their appearance is often the first thing you notice. It's no different when you're the one being sized up, especially in a dating context. Maintaining good grooming habits and dressing appropriately are crucial for making a positive impact. First, let's talk grooming. Keeping yourself well-groomed shows that you respect yourself, and it signals that you respect others too. This includes regular haircuts, a neat beard or clean-shaven face, and attention to personal hygiene. It's not about vanity, it's about showing that you're in control and you care about presenting your best self. Now, on to dressing. Wearing clothes that fit well and are right for the occasion sends a message that you're aware and in tune with the situation. This doesn't mean you need a wardrobe overhaul, or that you should dress like someone in their 20s. It's about finding what works for you and your body type, and occasionally updating your wardrobe to keep it fresh and modern. A well-chosen outfit can boost your confidence and make you feel more comfortable in social settings. So take a moment to assess your wardrobe and grooming habits. A few adjustments here and there can make a significant difference. It's not just about looking good for others, but feeling good about yourself, which is incredibly attractive at any age. 3. Being overly controlling. One common mistake in relationships, especially noticeable when there's an age difference, is the tendency to be overly controlling. This can be particularly alienating for younger partners who highly value their independence and decision-making autonomy. It's important to strike a balance and understand that being supportive is not the same as being directive. Controlling behavior can manifest in various ways, such as making decisions without consulting the other person, constantly checking up on them, or offering unsolicited advice on every aspect of their life. This can lead to frustration and diminish the younger partner's sense of self, making the relationship feel more like a parent-child dynamic than a partnership between equals. Instead of steering every decision, focus on fostering a supportive environment where both partners feel encouraged to express their thoughts and make decisions together. This approach not only promotes a healthier relationship, but also enhances mutual respect and understanding. Remember, a relationship is a shared journey. It thrives on mutual respect, trust, and the freedom for each person to be themselves. By avoiding the urge to control, you can build a more fulfilling and dynamic relationship where both partners contribute equally and independently. This not only keeps the relationship fresh and engaging, but also ensures that both you and your partner feel valued and respected. 4. Misjudging cultural references. Navigating cultural references in a relationship where there is a significant age difference requires a bit of finesse and a lot of openness. Misjudging or assuming shared cultural references can quickly turn a potential moment of connection into a misunderstanding. This is because cultural references, like music, movies, and even historical events, shape individual perspectives and identities in different ways, depending on one's age group. When dating someone from a different generation, it's essential to approach cultural differences with curiosity rather than assumption. This means rather than expecting them to know or appreciate the cultural touchstones of your youth, you introduce them and share why they're meaningful to you. Conversely, show a genuine interest in the cultural moments that matter to them. This is not just about swapping movie titles or music playlists, but engaging with the content together, discussing it, and understanding its appeal. This approach turns cultural differences into opportunities for learning and growth. It can be incredibly enriching to see the world through someone else's cultural lens. It can offer new insights into both their world and yours. Plus, exploring culture together is simply fun. It can lead to lively conversations, deepen your connection, and maybe even introduce you to a new favorite band or film genre. Remember, the goal isn't to diminish the differences, but to celebrate them. By doing so, you build a relationship that is not just about romance, but also about mutual enrichment and shared experiences. Are you finding these tips helpful? Show your support with a like and share your thoughts below. And if you're looking to elevate your dating game, our free 60-minute strategy call could be just what you need. Learn to meet more women and date confidently. Book now using the link in the pinned comment. 5. Failing to communicate intentions clearly. Clear communication of intentions is vital in any relationship, but it becomes particularly crucial when there's an age difference involved. Without clarity, misunderstandings can easily arise, potentially leading to discomfort and mistrust. It's not just about what you're looking for in a relationship, but also how you communicate those desires and expectations. Start by being upfront about what you're seeking. Whether it's something casual, a serious relationship, or even friendship, sharing this openly will set the right tone from the beginning. This honesty helps prevent scenarios where one person might be deeply invested while the other is looking for something more casual. It's also important to discuss boundaries and deal breakers early on. What are you comfortable with? What are your non-negotiables? Knowing these can help both parties understand each other's limits and expectations without having to guess. Communication isn't just about the big stuff. It extends to everyday interactions. Make it a habit to express your feelings and concerns as they arise. This ongoing dialogue keeps the relationship healthy and vibrant. It's not about oversharing or turning every conversation into a deep discussion, but rather about maintaining an open line of communication that welcomes honesty and vulnerability. By practicing clear communication, you foster a relationship built on mutual respect and understanding. This doesn't just minimize misunderstandings. It enriches the connection, making the relationship more fulfilling for both partners. 6. Not being emotionally matched. Being emotionally and intellectually matched is crucial in any relationship, especially when there's a significant age difference. For older men dating younger women, it's important not just to share interests, but also to connect on an emotional and intellectual level. This alignment fosters deeper understanding and mutual respect, which are key to a successful relationship. To achieve this, continuous personal growth is essential. This means staying curious and open-minded, continually educating yourself, and engaging with new ideas and trends that resonate with the younger generation. It's not about pretending to be someone you're not. It's about growing into a person who naturally connects with others across different ages. Emotionally, it's about being in tune with your feelings and being comfortable expressing them. It's also about understanding and empathizing with the emotional experiences of your partner, regardless of the age gap. Younger individuals often seek emotional maturity in their relationships, which includes open communication about feelings, desires, and fears. Intellectually, engage in discussions that both challenge and interest you and your partner. Share your knowledge and experiences, but also be a keen listener. Show genuine interest in what excites and motivates them. This reciprocal exchange of ideas and emotions enriches the relationship, keeping both partners engaged and invested. Emotional and intellectual development involves growing alongside your partner, not just growing up. It's about building a partnership where both people feel valued, understood, and connected on more than just a superficial level. This balance is what ultimately sustains attraction and respect over time. For our bonus tip, let's focus on the cornerstone of any strong relationship: genuine connection. Beyond the superficial layers of wealth or status, it's the emotional and intellectual bonds that truly enrich a partnership. This genuine connection is what sustains relationships through ups and downs and creates a lasting intimacy that goes beyond mere attraction. Start by valuing transparency and authenticity over trying to impress. Share your true thoughts, feelings, and passions, and invite the same from your partner. This honesty lays a strong foundation for the relationship, showing that you value her as a person, not just as a companion. Invest time in understanding what drives and interests your partner intellectually. Whether it's books, films, music, or politics, engaging in discussions about these topics not only boosts your intellectual compatibility, but also deepens your emotional connection. It shows you care about her mind and her feelings, not just her presence. Remember, relationships built on the bedrock of genuine connection are more likely to withstand the test of time. They provide more satisfaction and a deeper sense of partnership because both individuals feel understood and valued for who they are, not what they have. This approach doesn't just apply to romantic relationships, but to all interpersonal connections. By focusing on real connections rather than superficial qualities, you enrich your interactions and ensure that your relationships are both meaningful and enduring. Embrace this mindset and watch your relationships transform. Now, you know those mistakes older men make that kill attraction. What's next for you? Discover the 6 signs that a younger woman is interested in you, or learn the signs you're the ideal older man. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more.